Hi, Tommy Singh here. You may remember me from such videos as how to do your swivel hub rebuild and also how to install a 270 degree awning on your car. In this video we're going to talk about installing a 2000 watt inverter so you can make good little jaffles like this in the bush. Catch ya.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands, strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand.
The first thing to do once you pull your inverter out of the box is to find out where you're going to put it. In my case, I'm going to put it up along this back wall just behind me here. I know my wiring's a bit messy still. That will be changing soon. Just got to wait for a couple more months before I can get a new product. And when I grab that, I'll install it and show you guys how to do that. So in my case, I'm probably going to want the power points facing the door. I will actually be running an extension lead over to the other side and have a power board set up over there as well. So when I actually do get an induction cooker, I'll be able to plug that in and get that sorted. You can see the inverter installed behind me on the back wall, so that's pretty stable. I just used a couple of Tex screws going through the aluminium. If I find that that's rattling loose later on, I'm just going to put a nut sets in there. The next step will be to install this. So what this actually is, it's like a little bus bar. And these two little square things at the bottom are actually fuses. In this case, I'm using two 250 amp fuses, one for the inverter itself and one for all my accessories and all that, which goes to the fuse block anyway. Now it's time to just connect up the positive and negative. I've already this inverter actually came with a cable kit. What I have done is I've shortened them down because it was actually way too long for what I needed, so I just ended up getting a couple of lugs, cut them to size and done what I need to. In this case I've also done a little L-shaped lug on the end, which I just bent that across that way just to make it a bit easier to get it onto the terminal. Anyway, so we'll put these on and yeah, she's all tied in. As I said, the cabling is a little bit messy, but that's going to get sorted out later on. So why did I go to PowerTech? Well, it was only 274 bucks on JCar. Did a little bit of research on it. Some people said they were crap, some people said they were good. For 274 bucks, I could, you know, if it fits itself, you can always take it back there and get a new one or get my money back. Anyway, I needed a inverter, so I chose the 2000 watt one. Obviously, later on I'm going to be running an induction cooker, which I haven't got yet, but I've got a setup coming for that eventually, which will be part of my CANOPY series. Anyway, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you want to learn how to, if you want to make good cases, you want to make jaffles like this on the run, stick around and learn how to